Hey, sir, come in. Sir is coming. Sir is coming.
Good morning. Did anyone of you see my apron? It is missing from the...
No, sir.
It's okay. Can anyone of you tell what we were seeing in last class?
Upper limb, sir.
Anyone of you read what was taken in last class? See, this is not at all good. Dissection means some kind of seriousness should be there. Can you please turn this body? I told this body. See, what? You are not at all good. You should study. Yes, bring your records now. What is this? Where is the epithelium in this?
No, sir. From book only I draw, sir.
Which book you drew? From which book you drew?
So that second-hand book from that only I drew.
See, these reasons and all you don't give. You go down and come again. Yes, next. Bring the record. See, this diagram looks very similar to Cunningham's, no?
Yes, sir. Same, sir.
You traced it?
No, sir. I took Xerox and colored it, sir. Wait.
What brains you have, man? Use these brains in studies, man. Go.
Stop on, sir. Light stop on, sir.
Chakalakala doctor, jagajalam marinja doctor. Chakalakala doctor, jagajalam marinja doctor. Palavesham podum doctor, pagalvesham mariya doctor. Angal manadai paditha doctor, pengalakkellam piditha doctor. Ivathan yamanikkum doctor.
Hey, come here. Hey, come here. Where you went?
Sir,
Whose apron is this?
Sir, I took that in the first floor, no, sir. One cabin is there.
That is my cabin only.
Sir, in that one chair only I took this, sir.
It's my apron, man. Get out. Give my apron and go.